Okay, so this is my Ibanez Roadstar. It's not a Roadstar 2, it's just a Roadstar. So what I've done is, I prefer the natural wood color over the black stuff they paint on this. Unfortunately, this had some cracks in it. It was like a $20 yard sale find. And so basically what I've done is I've taken this stuff here, which is wood finish, penetrates, stain, seals. The urethane would probably work fine as well. And what we want to do is make sure this dries and put another couple more coats on it, and it'll make it look pretty nice. I've also modified the pick guard, and I'm going to put some sort of decorative screw up here because I shaved the pick guard down here to bring out the wood color on the side as well. Shaved the pick guard a little bit back here and there, and so yeah, that's the way I do it. It's the Roadstar model Ibanez. It's not a Roadstar 2, and I'm not sure exactly what the difference is. This has the whammy bar set up on it as well, but yeah. So I like to bring out the natural wood grain in my guitars, particularly when they're black. So black is not my favorite color. I'd rather have something natural looking, and that's what I do. Here's the pick guard. So here's what I found. I found this at the yard sale too. It's this glitter nail polish, and I just painted that black pick guard with polish. It looks pretty good. I mean, colors are a little off. I still have to clean up the pickups and the screws, but yeah, there it is. That pick guard looks fairly good for just the glitter nail polish. Okay, so these have, what I did is I took the chemical stripper and started stripping off the black, and then once I got down to a certain amount, then I stopped using the stripper and I used a sandpaper. So basically, I think I had like 200 grit. Started out with 200 grit, went to 180, and then 220. And basically, once you get the black off, there's going to be a clear seal coat underneath the black or the color. And you can see I sanded quite a bit here trying to get these stains out. For some reason, these stains and these cracks would not come out. And you can see that it's lighter here than here. For instance, this still has the sealer coat on it. This has the sealer coat removed. And you can see where I sanded here deeper to try and get these cracks out. That's whiter, and then this still has a little bit of the seal coat on it. So once you take the black off, you just lightly sand it. If you don't have these deep cracks or these stains, you can keep the seal coat on it, and then just put clear Varathane over it. So yeah, difference between this is sanded down past the seal coat, the primary seal coat, and then this here I didn't sand it that far down, so it still has the seal coat on it, which brings a little bit more shine to it, which is kind of nice. So if you're doing one of these, you just want to take the primary color off, and you don't want to take the seal coat off. Leave the sealing coat on, which is a clear coat, and then put clear lacquer over that. And otherwise, I mean, it's not perfect, but that's just a tip that may make it look better. Anyway.